Today I'm taking a look at the Dracutum AA Rechargeable Lithium-ion Battery Charger Set. So it does come with a charger brick. It's actually pretty nice. This reminds me a lot of what you would see out of something like some Apple AirPods or something like that. So nice heavy duty case. Looks like we've got our charger port there on the side. It says that it inputs 3 amps at 5 volts and it can charge 8 batteries at 350 milliamps each at 5 volts. So very interesting. It looks like we have a little magnet there, so that's going to be what holds it closed. So even if you put this inside of your bag or something like that, you don't have to worry about this thing spilling out all over. It does come with 8 batteries, and these are Dracutum branded batteries. It says that it can input 5 volts and it outputs 1.5 volts. And these are labeled 3600 milliwatt hours. They do have a flat bottom and a button top, just like a normal AA battery. And also in the bag, it comes with our charging cable, and that is USB-A to USB-C. And if we plug that in, that's neat. So it actually has individual LEDs for each battery. So it's currently flashing, and in the instructions it says that that means that it is currently charging. Once it's fully charged, there will be a static green. If it's an incompatible battery, it'll be flashing red. If it's over temperature, it'll be a static red. So let's take a look at one of these. And we are getting a 1.527 voltage charge. So when they come, they do come with enough of a charge. You can test these to make sure that they are working. Seems like AA batteries are getting less common, but there is still equipment that uses them. So this is a camera flash transmitter. And we can see that that is good enough to power this guy on. And it actually shows it as a full charge, so that is excellent. So yeah, if you have a use for batteries that you need to be rechargeable and you want to have a real nice fancy case for it, that is going to be an excellent kit.